Happy New Year everyone. It is now 2024, and you'll see what movies comes out. Anyways, here's the New Year Grounded video. Dark Chicken and Evil Chicken ruins the New Year fireworks / Infinite Grounded. Before starting the video. This video contains strong language, intense loud sound effects, sexual content, use of tobacco, romantic themes, moderate crude humor, and the presence of alcohol. Enjoy! Let's fucking go. Fucking yai. Oh my fucking god, today is the new year, finally. Now a reason to get out of this stupid house while grounded. I am going to meet Evil Chicken at his house. But first, let's go tell my dad. Hey Dad.
What do you want, Dark Chicken?
I was fucking wondering, can I go meet Evil Chicken, Caillou, Rosie, Sophie, Classic Caillou, Classic Rosie, Leo, Classic Leo, Original Evil Chicken, and Sadie to go see the New Year's fireworks?
No, absolutely not.
Why not?
Because you've been causing too much trouble. Evil Chicken, and your friends. Cause you've been a fucking very bad boy, and I will not trust you for being good.
But Dad, I want to go see the New Year's fireworks. I want to go see the New Year's fireworks. I want to go see the New Year's fireworks. I want to go see the New Year's fireworks with my friends.
Rage does not answer my question. You are not going to see the New Year's fireworks with your friends, and that's final.
You know what? Take this.
That's it. I'll do that back to you. You are grounded for group of 9 days. Now go to your room. Right now.
I just don't fucking get it. Why does my dad not let me go see the New Year's fireworks and meet my friends? You know what? I have had it. I'm going to sneak out and meet Evil Chicken and my friends at the beach to see the New Year's fireworks. Let's just go right now or else Dad will see me.
When Dark Chicken sneaks out of the house.
Now let's just steal my dad's car and meet Evil Chicken. Okay, now let's get to Evil Chicken's house. Ha! This is so fucking funny. Now we're here.
Oh my fucking god, Dark Chicken, I can't fucking believe it's you. So why the reason you are here?
I came to tell you that we are going to the beach to see the New Year's fireworks with our friends. What do you think?
That sounds a fantastic idea. Now let's go.
Alright, let's get to the fucking car.
Sorry guys, I can't make more characters that are wearing bathing suits or naked, because it's gonna take forever to make more, and my fingers are gonna hurt. Anyways, when they get to the beach.
Now we are here.
Oh, here comes our friends.
Do you guys think we're gonna turn our music on and enjoy until the fireworks start?
Yeah, we should. But we'd need to put in appropriate fireworks to make everyone die.
You know what? I'm gonna put more inappropriate fireworks to start.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4. Me 5.
Me 6.
Me 7.
Me 8. Me 9. Me 10.
Me 11. Me 12. Victor, are you seeing what I'm seeing? What? There's a group of troublemakers in the fucking beach. They cause too much trouble. Oh, now I know what they are, Matthew. I met them before. They were grounded for a big time. Well, let's just ignore it and let's go fishing. Okay. At 8 p.m., well, an hour later before the fireworks is about to start.
Somewhere inside haunting, like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating.
Hey everyone, let's throw motherfucking water balloons while fucking dancing.
Hell yeah, throwing water balloons would be fun. We should throw it while our clothes are on. Yeah, this is the best party I have ever fucking seen. Baby.
Yeah. This is like the best party ever.
Yes, this is so mature.
Washington. Chick, cheeky. Cheeky, chick.
Yeah! Chicken's people are so cute and all. I'm too cool for this soup. Too cool for your girl. Too cool for this world. Too cool for this water. Too cool for everything. Yeah.
Chickens and people lives in this world. Nobody cares about it. We can live whenever we wanna.
Hell yeah. Yeah, this is the best world ever.
This is the best beach ever. Having funny things to make people sad. We can still do whenever we still fucking wanna. All of you troublemakers. What the hell are you all doing? Your music is too loud, and you are not allowed to throw water balloons, and most of all, I'm pretty sure 12 of you are still grounded. You know that blasting your music too loud can disturb others, and that this is not a water balloon fight with our clothes on, right? Please turn your volume down on your music.
No, I don't give a shit. Matthew, you don't own this beach, so can you just mind your own goddamn fucking business, okay? We can do whatever we want, and we wanna have a party right here, right now.
Yeah, we're having a party just like everybody else. Why can't you fucking guys just not ground us for a chance?
Dark Chicken and Evil Chicken, we are not trying to ruin your party. All we are doing is telling you that your music is too loud, and that you guys cannot throw water balloons. There are like children out there too, and it's gonna make everyone else get wet.
Yeah, I agree with my brother. Either turn down the vol on your music, or else I am calling all your parents and letting them know that you all snuck out of your houses to party here. You guys are so lucky I'm giving you another chance to behave, cause I know that you guys have done worse in that motherfucking past.
GRRRRRRRRRR. We'll fucking do it already.
At 9 p.m., 2 minutes when the fireworks show is about to start. And sorry for that when Victor was telling the troublemakers to stop, so I am gonna have to replace Victor into Super Plotagon N1 Nintendo fan. Sorry for that error.
Wow! That was a lot of fun partying our asses off and dancing like a maniac. Don't you agree, guys?
Hell yeah! That was the most awesome party I've ever been to. Way better than any Lamar Holmes boring-ass birthday party.
Even though it sucked ass that we had to turn the volume of our music down and try not to throw water balloons while everyone is wearing their clothes on, but hey, at least the fireworks should be coming really soon.
Yeah! And then we can blow up some awesome fireworks, and it will be motherfucking funny. Ha 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 ha.
Attention everybody, the New Year fireworks are about to start in 30 seconds. Please be ready soon.
Hurry up, Dark Chicken. Get out of our funny fireworks, or else the fireworks show is about to start in about few seconds.
Okay, Evil Chicken, I got our fireworks. This is going to be motherfucking funny.
Attention everybody, the Plotagon New Outdoor Beach New Year fireworks of 2024 is about to start. We hope you all enjoy the show and have a happy New Year 2024. The fireworks begin in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, those fireworks sure are amazing. Don't you agree, Super Plotagon and N1 Nintendo fan? Yeah, the fireworks sure are awesome this year. Happy 2024 year, everybody.
Yeah, I agree with you both, Matthew, and Super Plotagon and N1 Nintendo fan.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5.
Me 6. Wait a minute.
Hey, why are there inappropriate fireworks being blasted into the sky?
Yeah, there are children here. Kids are not allowed to be looking this nasty shit.
You, kids, stop looking at them.
Bleh, this is motherfucking nasty. There was even a firework that was shaped like a big hairy sausage.
Okay, just where the fuck are these gross and inappropriate fireworks coming from? I'm pretty sure it is not Plotagon City that's doing this. HMMMM. Oh, my. Mother... Spicy. Hot. Fuck! Chicken nuggets. God. Guys, I know exactly whose cousin this. It's those troublemakers that me and Super Plotagon and N1 Nintendo fans saw earlier today cause they were blasting fucking music too loud and didn't throwing water balloons earlier. Oh, yeah, you and me noted receipt. It was Dark Chicken, Evil Chicken, Caillou, Rosie. Classic Caillou, Classic Rosie. Evil Chicken, Sadie, Leo, Sophie, and Classic Leo. They're the ones who are blowing up the inappropriate fireworks. And from what I overheard, Dark Chicken and Evil Chicken were the ones who started the party over there in the first place. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I totally fucking knew it. They are going to be so grounded, infinite grounded. Well, what the fuck are we waiting for? Let's call their parents right now, so that they can infinite ground them for ruining the new year. Hello, Mr. Dark Chicken. Guess what your son and his friend did?
Let me guess. They blow up inappropriate fireworks in the sky. 'Cause I noticed the window when we're watching the fireworks.
Correct!
Okay, I will be right there, and Dark Chicken and Evil Chicken are going to be infinite grounded. I'm gonna call Chicken to infinite ground him. Now goodbye. Bye.
Those fireworks are super motherfucking funny.
LOL. I agree, Dark Chicken. Those fireworks are awesome.
Oh, shit!
Guys, I think we have a motherfucking company.
Wait,
What? Dark Chicken, Evil Chicken, Caillou, Rosie,
Classic Caillou. Classic Rosie. Chicken.
Evil Chicken,
Sadie.
Leo, Sophie.
Classic Leo.
All of you go home right now while me and Chicken infinite ground Dark Chicken and Evil Chicken. Evil Chicken, 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 Evil Chicken.
Dark Chicken, 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 Dark Chicken. You guys are so infinite grounded.
Wah. The end. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Signing out. Bye.